How to get Canva Pro Team Invite link. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a Canva Pro Team Invite link so you can collaborate with your friends or team members. If you want to unlock the full potential of Canva Pro together, you're in the right place, so let's get started. First, ensure that you have a Canva Pro account. If you don't have one yet, go to canva.com and sign up for a Pro plan. You can take advantage of the free trial if you want to test it out before committing. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu select Account Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your team and subscriptions. In the Account Settings, look for the Team section and click on Create a Team if you haven't done so already. Here, you can name your team and customize settings to suit your collaboration needs. After creating your team, you will have access to the invite link. Now, to get the invite link, go to the Team section and you'll see an option that says Invite Members. Click on it and you'll find the option to copy the invite link. Share the link with anyone you want to invite to your Canva Pro team. And that's it. You've successfully obtained the Canva Pro Team invite link. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Canva. Happy designing, and thanks for watching.